how it looks after the polish. It required more job, but start to looking good. Okay, this is after the polish. It looks good. Just a little bit more job. These two. Just a little bit more job. Then I'm going to do the shape of the blade so it can be sharp. The sharp line over here too. This part just need to go inside. That's you want to look how it look. Need to cut over here so it can be go inside. And here I'm going to sew the shape of the tang of the blade. Just a little bit more job and I finish it. On the wood. Now I need to go to get some rain to put over here, like the other camera that I made, to pull holes, to finish the shape of the blade, to polish everything, paint again the wood, make some hole over here, and rope. Look. Now I need to cut over here so it can be go inside, and need to cut over here, and after that put this inside. This is the two circle. Then they go like that, and I need to make the tang of this blade a little thinner or smaller so it can be go inside. Okay, I cut this part. Now I'm going to need to put this inside. We finish, put the circle inside. Going to polish everything, drill over here.